In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and download music from a YouTube audio library in just a few clicks. First, open YouTube and sign into your account. Then move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, click YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio loads, look over to the left side menu. You may need to scroll down a little. Then click Audio Library. This is where YouTube provides free music and sound effects that creators can use in their videos. Now you'll see a list of tracks available in the audio library. You can browse through different songs, genres, moods, and artists. Take a moment to find a track that fits your video. Before downloading, it's a good idea to listen to the track. To do that, move to the left side of the song and click the play button. This lets you preview the music before downloading it. Once you've found a song you like, move to the right side of the track and click the download button. You can also click the download icon in the bottom right corner of the track row. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder. You'll see the music file saved on your computer as an MP3. Now it's ready to use in your videos. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more YouTube and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.